Mjolo will humble you by Ntendeni Rubengo. Episode 7. Dressed to kill. Bazalwane, blessed is the woman who kills a man without lifting a finger. You know you are a real G, ne? When you kill a man and leave him alive. Bazalwane, neti, this girl right here, ne? I did it. Finally, I texted back. Let's meet. Chicken Corner, Thoyando Grand Plaza, next Saturday, 12 p.m. There was a 10-second option to unsend the message before it went through. I allowed it to send. Yes, Bazalwane. Brace yourselves. We are meeting LimpoMpo. Waited. Doom, 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 doom. My heart is pumping. 3 dots are moving in the message box. That means he's typing. Heart palpitations way. He sends a message. Oh my God. Sharp, sharp. See you then. He responded. I gasp. Doom, 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 doom. Oh my God. This is it. I can't breathe. I'm finally meeting this guy. First time in over 6 years. Word of advice, Bazalwane. When you meet your ex, ne, look good. Look raw. Look hot. Hot, 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 hot. Come on, Bazalwane. You can't meet your ex looking like you woke up in a bush somewhere in LimpoMpo, as you pronounce it. Hey, look hotelicious, wena. Let Mugai know that you are doing better without him. Mugai must know you are happier without him. Njinga must know, man, that you are still attractive and hot. And your milkshake got sexier ever since you broke up and still brings all the boys to the yard. Let him get a heart attack when he sees you, man. Let him wonder why he was so dumb enough to leave you. And maybe make him humble enough to ask if you have a new man. Just curious, he will say. Just asking, nothing much, he will say. Nothing personal, he will say. Just asking, do you have a new man? Ndoda must sweat, Bazalwane. Let him be hurt that you look delicious and he can't taste it or do anything about it. Leave Ndoda asking questions, man. Ndoda must argue with his liver. Leave Ndoda hurting deep down, knowing he lost a good thing. Look hot. Let your ex know that you can still be attractive and sexy to other men without him. The week leading up to the meeting, Bazalwane, ne? Hey, you should have seen me. I went all out. Forget tripe and pap. I almost starved myself. My body must look hot. I want to look raw. And boy, did I run. Did I squeeze my abs tight? Did I exercise beyond my strength? Did I tear my muscles? Boy, did I invent new exercises just for this occasion of great importance. The things we do for men, Bazalwane. The things we do for Ndoda, ne? By day 3 of the strenuous exercises, I was sore all over my body. Man, the pain in my thighs when I sat on the toilet. I looked tight though. I looked so good in so little time. Tossing and tossing hundreds of outfits throughout the week. Mugai will know that I'm doing better without his ass. Okay? Odofa. He will die when he sees me. Let me be so hot, he will idibala when he sees me. I went for a red hot number, man. Am I going to the summers or what? Red lips, yebo. Little black purse, yebo. Black stilettos, yes. Red undies under my dress, yes. Sexy, classy, giving that you can look but never touch vibe. I Ubered to Thando. I could see, ne, even the Uber driver salivating over me. We are here. The moment you've all been waiting for. 12 p.m. Saturday, on the dot. The moment is here. I hid behind a pot plant near Chicken Corner. And then I see Tiko and start shaking. My heart is pumping. He's here, Bazalwane. Oh my God, my knees are weak. Oh Lord. Tiko, the ex, the hyena, he's here. I'm shaking.